The member box allows you to add a member box to a page. To add a member box to the member welcome page, click on BannerFile from the main BannerOS dashboard. Click on Pages under the BannerFile drop-down in the top navigation. Click on the plus sign next to Member Box. Click on Manage Page. Click on Edit Page. Highlight and copy the link web location. Hover your mouse over the logo in the upper left and go to Grips. Click on BannerRoster. Click on Grip Pages under BannerRoster in the top navigation. Click on the plus sign next to Member Login. Click on Manage Page next to Welcome Page. Click Edit Page. Type the text in the content area that you would like to link to the member box. Highlight the words. In the toolbar, click on the chain link to a page. Paste in the link web location you copied from BannerFile. Click Insert. Click Save Changes. Now when members log in, they will have access to their member box and can view their files. This step does not need to be added to the above mentioned welcome page. You can add it to any member page by finding the page and following the same steps. To return to the BannerOS dashboard, click on Back to Home.